Hello and a warm welcome to the AI with Arun show. A new compact desktop computer has hit the market and it represents a fundamental shift in how AI will be developed. This is NVIDIA DGX Spark and it is not just a new product, it's a new class of computers. To understand why this is so important, we have to go back 9 years ago. Let's take a quick step back to 2016. In that year, NVIDIA's CEO, Jensen Huang, personally delivered the very first DGX 1 supercomputer to a very small startup and unknown entity called OpenAI. And I'm sure you have heard that name now because of you know why. Now, that single event helped kickstart the generative AI revolution that led to tools like ChatGPT. The problem is, since then, AI models have grown exponentially. Today, the most advanced AI work has outgrown our PCs, forcing developers to rely entirely on the cloud or massive data centers. This introduces serious challenges: high costs, network latency, and major data privacy concerns. NVIDIA's mission with DGX Spark is to reverse this trend. The goal is to bring the power of an AI supercomputer back to the individual developer's desk where innovation truly happens. So, how did they do it? The magic is inside this, the Grace Blackwell Superchip. This is not your standard chip, it's a custom built system on chip, or SoC as they call it, that fuses a powerful CPU and a state of the art GPU onto a single piece of silicon. This tight integration is key as it eliminates the traditional bottlenecks that slow down the communication between the two. On the CPU side, we have a 20-core ARM processor with a mix of ultra-high performance cores for heavy lifting and efficiency cores for background tasks. This design supercharges tasks like data pre-processing, which is a critical first step in any AI workflow. And then there is the Blackwell GPU with over 6,000 CUDA cores and specialized fifth generation tensor cores. It delivers 1 petaflop of AI performance. So let me put that in perspective. A petaflop is 1,000 trillion calculations per second. That is the kind of power that until now was reserved for data centers. But raw power is only half the story. The single biggest breakthrough here is the memory architecture. Traditionally, a computer's main memory for the CPU and the video memory for the GPU are completely separate. Moving data between them happens over a relatively slow connection called PCIe, creating a constant traffic jam. This also means the size of the AI model you can work on is limited by your GPU's memory. DGX Spark completely throws that design out of the window. It features a 128 gigabytes of coherent unified memory. Think of it as one giant shared pool of memory that both the CPU and the GPU can access instantly. The connection between them, called NVLink C2C, is 5 times faster than high-end PCIe. The impact of this is staggering. For the first time, developers can run inference on massive 200 billion parameter models or fine-tune 70 billion parameter models right on their desk. This was simply impossible to do locally before today. Now, every great engineering solution involves some smart trade-offs. To achieve this compact and power-efficient design, NVIDIA opted for a type of memory called LPDDR5X. This memory is incredibly efficient, but its bandwidth, about 273 gigabytes per second, is lower than the exotic power-hungry HBM memory that you will find in a top tier data center chip. And this leads to a crucial point about what this device is for. The DGX Spark is strategically designed to prioritize one thing above all else: the capability to run enormous models locally. It's not optimized to have the absolute maximum production speed for serving models to users. Its target is a developer's desk for development, experimentation, and research, not a data center rack for production serving. So it's very clear to understand the purpose for which this was built. This focus on the professional developer is clear in its design. It's packed with enterprise grade networking, including ports that can handle up to 200 gigabits per second and the latest Wi-Fi 7 standard. And here is a fantastic feature. You can directly connect two DGX Spark units together, effectively doubling your system's capability. This allows you to tackle even larger models, up to 405 billion parameters for inference. All of this power is packed into a tiny form factor, just 15 by 15 centimeters, and weighing only 1.2 kilograms. It's quite cool. and compact and powerhouse designed to sit on any desk. Great hardware needs great software. And this is where the DGX Spark becomes part of the much bigger strategy. It runs an Ubuntu style operating system called the DGX OS Foundation. Crucially, this is the exact same software stack that runs on NVIDIA's massive data center systems. This creates a seamless path from your desktop to the data center. You can develop and test an application on your desk with full confidence that it will run identically at scale. Furthermore, it comes completely ready to go out of the box. The entire AI stack is pre-configured, from the CUDA platform to the popular tools like PyTorch, Jupyter, and Ollama. This is zero setup friction. You plug it in and you can start developing immediately. Let's put the performance in context. While it offers a staggering 1000 tops or a petaflop of peak AI performance, the memory bandwidth is a limiting factor for raw throughput. For example, when running a 20 billion parameter model, a high-end workstation GPU like the RTX 6000 can have up to 4 times the throughput. But again, the comparison misses the point. The RTX 6000 can't even load the 70 billion or 200 billion parameter models that the DGX Spark handles with ease. This device isn't about being the fastest on smaller tasks. It's about making previously impossible tasks possible for every developer. So who is this for? This is for the AI researchers. It's a petascale computer on their desk, allowing them to rapidly prototype ideas, especially in privacy sensitive fields like healthcare or finance, where data can't leave the premises. It's for the generative AI GenAI developers. It's the ultimate tool to locally customize and fine tune powerful foundation models to create sophisticated AI. It's for enterprise teams. It's a perfect local dev kit. It mirrors their production grade Blackwell infrastructure, allowing them to test and profile their work before deploying it at scale. And it's for robotics engineers. It enables a tight, fast development loop for the intensive model iteration required to build physical AI. So naturally, the big question is, how does this compare to the cloud? The DGX Spark has clear advantages. After an initial hardware cost, the marginal cost is zero, unlike the constantly running meter of the cloud. It offers maximum data privacy and the ability to work offline with instant, low latency access. The cloud, of course, maintains its strengths in terms of unlimited scalability and the convenience of having zero hardware to manage. They are two sides of the same coin. DGX Spark is built for the developer's loop, iteration, experimentation, and creation. The cloud is for deployment at a massive scale. In conclusion, the DGX Spark is not just an incremental upgrade. It's a paradigm shift for AI development. NVIDIA's vision is to democratize access to large scale AI. Their strategy is to provide a seamless, unified ecosystem, the same architecture, the same OS, and the same software that scales perfectly from a single developer's desk to a world class data center. By lowering the barrier to entry for cutting edge research, the DGX Spark will empower countless individual creators, researchers, and startups. It's poised to ignite the next wave of breakthrough in AI. The goal is simple and profound: a supercomputer on every desk to spark the future of AI. With that, we come to the end of the show. Support our work by joining us as a member. And thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to the AI with Arun show for more such content.